Hi guys, if you are a EURAIL pass holder, okay, or they call them Interrail over there or Rail Plus, I don't know, there's so many names, but anyway, EURAIL pass holder, and like mine is 30 days global safer, so I can hop in and hop off in 28 countries in Europe. Switzerland is one of the must place you have to go, okay. And how do you make a reservation on some of their most beautiful scenic train? Because honestly, Switzerland, you cannot see their beauty if you just go to their cities. You really need to take their scenic train, and one of them is called GOLDENPASS. It's the mountain to mountain, so beautiful, so beautiful. You will feel overwhelmed because it's so beautiful. So GOLDENPASS line is their website, goldenpassline.ch, and if you add /en, they will bring you to their English website. So just go to here where it says booking, and when you click booking, all right, they will bring you to they tell you how to reserve and everything. They teach you. You don't have to, but I'll teach you how, okay? Because if you know how, it will save you a lot of money. If you scroll down there, you will say book now. So if you click in there and book now, okay, and they will show you a little map. I suggest if you can go from corner to corner, which is from Lucerne to Montreux, and you can do it because it's only 5 hours long, okay, 5 hours long. If you come from Montreux, go to Lucerne, come from Lucerne, go to Montreux, vice versa, okay. So let's say I wrote down here, I want the whole thing, which is Lucerne, from Lucerne to Montreux. You scroll down, you find where is Lucerne. They're pretty straightforward, in all is in English, and go all the way to where is Montreux. Let me see, where are you? Montreux here, and pretend that you're going on, January 25th. I try to book as early as possible. I put 6 in the morning here, and I only put the departure because I don't want to make round trip. I don't know if you can actually make round trip in one day. It's pretty, I don't know, you have to study about it first, okay? But I think they started in about 7 in the morning now, okay, for January. I don't know if you're traveling in June, July, I don't know, because right now the timetable is not there yet, maybe for June or July, or maybe there is. So 7:06 started from Lucerne, all right? And so from Lucerne, which is to Interlaken, okay, if you want to book which one, this is second class, this is first class, there's only 7 places free, they said. So if you click there and then you book whichever the seat you want, they will show you the map of the seat. Oh, my computer is so slow, come on, I don't want you guys to get bored. They let you to pick up the green button, green icon here is still available, so click there. Then, okay, after it's working, they show you, okay, how to go to Lucerne. This one also go to Interlaken Ost. So which one you go? I go from Lucerne to Interlaken Ost. So the train will go this way, guys, this way. So if you pick this seat like the one I picked, you will probably feel a little bit dizzy because the train go this way, okay? So if you are a little bit dizzy, go pick whichever seat that facing forward. Then don't click book yet, because your journey is not just from Lucerne to Interlaken Ost. Go click return here on the bottom here. You see that? Click return and book the other leg. Okay, the other leg, which is, show you, hold on, the other leg. Let me pause very quick. So the other leg is Interlaken to Zweisimmen, right? So here you book already your seat on Interlaken, 7 arrive 8:55, and if you take from Interlaken to Zweisimmen or Zweisimmen, whatever, 9:08, you will have time, right? So pick this one, and second class has 37 more places free. In first class, if your ticket is first class, pick which one according to your ticket. I think first class is better, and if they try to offer you VIP class, I don't think you should buy it. It's not worth it, VIP class. And then pick again your seat. And then again, after this is done, don't pick book yet, okay? Pick return, because you want the last leg here, which is, I think, Zweisimmen to Montreux. If you don't pick a reservation, you might not get a seat, and then, I don't know, will they allow you to stand up or not? But then you keep on doing that, and then this is what will happen. After I do the same procedure from Zweisimmen to Montreux, okay, I pick the seat again, and here, okay, all of the reservation I have all complete. Okay, I might have to pay 3 times 8 Swiss franc. I might have to pay less. Look, I pay $8 for this one and $5 for this. I mean, Swiss franc and US dollar is pretty close right now. And 8. So in overall, this whole leg of a journey is costing me 21 Swiss franc, which is about 21 US dollars. And I don't have to pay any more ticket price because I'm a EURAIL holder. Okay, so otherwise the ticket is really expensive in Switzerland, and you just click buy and do the procedure, pay with your credit card, and this reservation is made already ahead of time. So in that way you know for sure that you're going to take this train, you guys. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and then hopefully really guys try to do this instead of going from city to city again. Mix it with this what is that, scenic train is worth it. All right, enjoy. Bye bye.